That was a little bit too fast. Oh my god, we're not doing this. Oh my god, hello. You can jump pretty high. Can you, like, I don't know. Yes, jump. Oh my god, we're not doing this. We're actually not doing this. If you get cheesed, I'm not gonna be mad. Can you, like, I don't know, like jump over here or something? Fuck that shit. Seriously, man. Like, you're cheesing your own self. This was accidental. What's my button? Oh, it's B. Why is it B? I thought I had it set to F. I don't know, like, can you, like, teleport? Thank you. You hit me. That's all that matters. It's at 34 HP. I was forced to jump. Are you finally up here? Thank you. No, he's not. Oh my god. Oh. You know what? I guess, like, I'm not saying that it was. Is that a master? Is that a master mode relic? Infernal Kingsland. Even seasoned players may struggle somewhat in the face of something new and unfamiliar. Adaptability is key. Honestly, that fight was just stupid. I'm not gonna hold you. That fight was stupid. That is all I have to say to that. I don't want no. Someone's a slime dessert. I don't care. Apparently they think it's expert mode, but yeah, sure, I guess. What do we have here? Only a fool could be caught by this pitiful excuse for a hunter. Unfortunately, our world has no shortage of those. Cool. Harvest. Don't care.